Go. Hey guys, welcome to Tuhin Editing and welcome to a new segment that is called Reviewer, in which we are going to unbox different type of tech products. So today we are going to unbox a mechanical keyboard from Cougar. It is called Attack X3 RGB Cherry MX mechanical keyboard. So right now we are going to unbox this beast and see what comes inside this box, and then we are going to start in-depth review of the keyboard. So let's get started. In the box of Cougar Attack X3 RGB keyboard, you will get keyboard itself, palm rest and user manual. Main body of the keyboard is mainly plastic built, but there's also aluminum structure design. Because of having aluminum plate, the keyboard is strong and this plate also helps for backlight reflection. As it's not fully metal built keyboard, it's pretty lightweight although it's big in size. But in no way it feels cheap, it's so sturdy. It comes with removable palm rest, which is a very important fact to me as I spend a lot of time on computer using keyboard. Palm rest also made of plastic, and there is a magnetic rubber pad on left side. I'm not sure why there is no rubber pad on the right, there should be one. So let's talk about the switch. Cougar Attack X3 has Cherry MX Silver RGB switch of at least 50 million clicks lifetime. While gaming, there could be unique situation where you need to press multiple key combination. Most keyboard can do 6 key press maximum at a time. But this keyboard let you press any number of keys at a time with accurate result. Silver MX switches are 40% faster than normal MX switches and has long lifespan of 50 million clicks. If you don't like the loud sound of mechanical keyboard, this could be a right choice. The sound of click seems pretty okay to me if I compare with Razer Huntsman Elite, which has a loud clicky sound. Let's test out the sound of the Cougar Attack X3 RGB. The keycaps are engraved, so the light shines perfectly through them. If I have to talk about a bad side of this keyboard, it would be the Cougar UIX software, which is not really user friendly. It would take some time to get hold of it. There are different light settings that can be easily changed with the software, but a very irritating thing is if you want to change the keyboard color from RGB to a single color, you have to press every button to change it, which is very frustrating. This keyboard comes with 1.8 meter braided cable of 2 USB connection. You can use the keyboard by connecting one USB to PC, but remember, one USB is for power connection and the other one is for functions. So if you connect with one USB, some features may not work properly. So let's talk about the gaming experience. To be honest, the gaming experience on this keyboard was mind-blowing. Keys are very responsive, the palm rest is very comfortable, totally perfect for long gaming sessions. Typing and gaming both are pleasant experience on this keyboard. But again, if you don't like the silver keys, there are other options for this keyboard too. So in the end, Cougar Attack X3 is a nice keyboard with bunch of features compared to its price, but there are so many options from different companies in this price range. It's completely personal preference to go for this keyboard or any other one. If you ask me, I would recommend this keyboard. This is a very good value for money. Bright RGB light, super responsive Cherry MX keys make the keyboard sexy. One thing I can hope to improve is the Cougar UIX software. Other than that, this is a great buy. I hope you find this video useful. Let us know what you think about the keyboard. Also, let us know your comment about our new segment. Like and share with your friends. I will see you in the next video. Peace.